10 inventions that changed the world forever. What if you woke up tomorrow in a world without electricity, phones, or even the wheel? Sounds impossible, right? But the truth is, every convenience we enjoy today exists because of just a handful of groundbreaking inventions. These were not just clever ideas, they completely transformed how we live, work, and connect with each other. Today, we are diving into 10 inventions that did not just change the world, they reinvented it. The wheel, circa 3500 BCE. Often called the greatest mechanical invention of all time, the wheel began as a potter's tool before being adapted for carts and chariots. First developed in Mesopotamia, the wheel made transportation, agriculture, and even industry possible. Without it, modern logistics and machinery would not exist. Writing, circa 3200 BCE. Writing systems like cuneiform and hieroglyphics allowed humans to record history, laws, trade, and culture. Writing gave rise to bureaucracy, literature, religion, and science. Civilizations advanced rapidly once they could pass down complex knowledge from one generation to the next. The printing press, 1440 CE. Invented by Johannes Gutenberg, the printing press made books affordable and accessible. It democratized knowledge, fueled the Protestant Reformation, and ignited the scientific revolution. Before the press, a book could take months or even years to produce. Afterward, ideas could spread like wildfire. The steam engine, 1712 to 1781 CE. The steam engine, improved by James Watt, powered factories, trains, and ships, launching the Industrial Revolution. It enabled mass production, urbanization, and faster transportation. It did not just change industries, it changed lifestyles, creating the modern working world we know today. Electricity, 18th-19th century. From Franklin's kite experiment to Tesla's AC systems, the understanding and harnessing of electricity revolutionized society. Lighting, heating, communication, refrigeration. Everything was transformed. Entire cities could now operate 24/7s, laying the foundation for the digital age. The telephone, 1876 CE. Alexander Graham Bell's invention allowed people to communicate instantly across great distances. No more waiting days or weeks for a letter. It created the telecom industry, shrunk the world, and paved the way for global connectivity. Penicillin, 1928 CE. Alexander Fleming's accidental discovery of penicillin marked the birth of antibiotics. For the first time, doctors could effectively treat bacterial infections. Diseases that once killed millions became manageable. Lifespan increased. Modern medicine was born. The Internet, 1960s through the 1990s. What started as a Cold War-era military project became the most powerful tool for global communication ever invented. The Internet changed how we work, learn, shop, date, and socialize. It's arguably the most disruptive invention since electricity. The personal computer, 1970s through the 1980s. PCs brought the power of computing to homes and businesses. They enabled everything from spreadsheets to video games to coding. Pioneers like Steve Jobs and Bill Gates transformed the way we interact with technology forever. The smartphone, 2007 CE. When Apple released the iPhone, it merged phone, camera, computer, and internet into one portable device. Today, over 6 billion people own a smartphone. It has become our map, calendar, bank, entertainment center, and social hub, all in our pocket. Each of these inventions represents a turning point in human history. Without them, the modern world would not exist. Which invention do you think had the biggest impact, or which one are we missing? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the ideas and innovations that shaped our world.